Hey folks, a warm up across the valley today. Temperatures in most areas topped the 80-degree mark for the first time in a while. We've cooled back off a little since then, but we're still warmer than we've been most of the week. 79 now in McAllen, 73 in Port Isabel. There's Edinburgh at 76. Rio Grande City still in the 80s. Overnight lows tonight, we're back in the 60s in most locations once again. The wind stays out of the southeast pretty much all night long. A little cooler in the west, a little warmer at the coast, as is typical. But then tomorrow, we're not getting back to 81 again. Tomorrow, we'll stay cooler, probably close to 70, but we'll be in the 60s most of the day, reaching 70 briefly, then cooling back off. It's the wind tomorrow out of the northwest, 15 to 30, gusts to over 40. Dry air builds in, it pushes the clouds out, so it'll be a pretty day. Bright blue skies, but don't be fooled. It'll be cool with a lower humidity and that strong wind. It's going to feel a whole lot cooler. 71's the normal for this time of year. Tomorrow will be 70. Cooler on Sunday, mainly because it's going to start so much cooler. It's going to start in the 40s and bounce up to 65. Back down in the 40s again Sunday night, but then the wind shifts back to the southeast and temperatures back in the 70s on Monday. So this cool down is significant, but it's relatively short-lived. Radar tonight has gone quiet. There were some light showers across parts of the valley around dawn today, along with that thick fog. That has since moved out, but the clouds stuck around until about middle of the afternoon, then they thinned, and they're still there, but it's not just a lead overcast like it has been the last few days. Watch Future Track. Overnight, the clouds got to go away. The front comes in around dawn or so, then it just turns sunny and windy as temperatures slowly go down. I think the wind will shift, the dry air will come in first, and then the cooler air will filter in during the afternoon. Then overnight tomorrow night, it gets rather chilly with temperatures falling down into the 40s. But again, no threat of a freeze like what we talked about earlier in the week. That's gone. This air mass turns out to be not that strong after all. Sunday, though, still cool, only in the 60s. Sunday afternoon, bright sunshine, and then Monday, we start a little chilly again, but by afternoon, sunshine takes over. And we showed you the temperatures back in the mid-70s on Monday. Only chance of rain is with that front near the coast early in the morning, 20%, and then we're dry after that for Sunday and for Monday. Rest of Texas, a little chilly in the Panhandle. Dalhart is 36, while Dallas is 66. Abilene is 70 right now. A little rain down here earlier. It is gone. Big time storm moving right through the middle part of the country, starting in Texas and going off to the northeast from there. It'll push the front in tomorrow. Front gets south and east of us. It's a chilly day again on Sunday. By Monday, we've already got a southeast wind again. Once we get into Monday, you start to see a little moisture show up. We're still mostly sunny, but I think clouds will be in here on Tuesday. This front due Tuesday night, early Wednesday. That looks like it could be a front that brings clouds and some showers for Wednesday and keep temperatures much cooler for the middle part of next week. Looks a little stronger, at least at this point. Winds out of the south initially, but by morning out of the northwest, 20 to 30 knots at the coast. The bay is rough. The UV is moderate. A gale warning in effect for tomorrow. A bad day to go out in a little boat. It's just going to be way too windy. So for tonight, 61, mostly cloudy, breezy, and cool. South winds early, turn around to the west around dawn, and then northwest during the daytime tomorrow, 15 to 25, gust to 40. With humidity dropping as the day goes on. Dew points will plummet behind that front. 65 on Sunday, back to 73 on Monday. Your lows in the 40s, not 30s. Back to 78 on Tuesday. Another front, only 56 on Wednesday. And there's a 30-degree reading, 39 for Thursday morning, back to 65 during the afternoon. That is your updated First One 5 forecast.